Hi everyone. Hello. How are you? Okay, so today, welcome. I'm just gonna show you how I make my juice. Of course, I think I've shown it a couple of times. So just also share with you the benefits of some of these foods that I use. I'm excited, and I hope you are too. And also, I think I did show you what I do with my. No, I don't want to use that one. I always like to use something else. I know they provided this, but So you might be out there, you may say, but I don't have a juicer. What can I do? You can use your blender. You need ogi cloth, milk cloth. You see my milk cloth? It's from juicing. Yeah. And a sift. All right, so not having a juicer should not be a game stopper for you. You can still juice regardless. So let me tell you what I have here. I'll do this, kind of cut down on my cleaning. Let me show you what I got. So I have beetroot. I have ginger, of course. I have lemon, lime, and be careful when you're peeling your lime. You want the white part to still be there because that gives you a lot of benefits. I have the regular cucumber. I have pineapple. And I have my lemon cucumber. This is what I kind of grew this year, my first time, and it kind of did pretty good. I was excited to have lemon cucumber in my garden, so that was cool. So let us go ahead and juice. And then if you like, I can also show you how to use the blender. It's very easy. I mean, just blender, water, your cloth, your sieve, and your container. All right, so let's juice. You ready? You guess what? Davido and Chioma. People wonder why are you excited about Davido? Listen. Okay, let me just make a note of. Because if you're still out there, and what am I gonna say? If you're still out there, and you have that lady, and you're waiting, I can only say, what are you waiting for? There's history why Davido and Chioma are just doing it now. Alright? Everybody got history, right? So, what is your own excuse? Just go ahead and do it. And it doesn't have to be in Davido's fashion. Listen, only one Davido in the world, though. And Chioma don't take him. Okay, guys? Okay, ladies? So, what y'all gonna do? Only one Obi Kubana high priest and Obi Kubana himself and chief priest, all of them. Only one Dangote, only one Elon Musk, only one. Now God created like that, okay? So when you have your own, go ahead and do the right thing. So that's why I'm actually happy. When they did the traditional one, I was also super excited too, because they're doing the right thing. It's not good to be living in adultery and fornication and sexual immorality. Just go ahead and get married. That's what the scriptures say. I gotta go to the scriptures. It says, instead of you to born as a single person, go ahead and marry. So go ahead and marry. Oh, but I don't have the money. I don't. Just go ahead and marry. There's marriage for different people. Does that mean that only people like the will marry? No. You also are entitled to get married. Just go ahead and do the right thing. You may not be able to give her that wristwatch of $300,000 for wristwatch for my dear Chioma. You may not be able to do that, but it's okay. If you can get that small thing, just get that small thing and just go ahead and do the key things that you go ahead and do the right thing and just get married. And marrying a girl is actually showing respect for the family. And oh my God, the level of respect that Davido shows to people around him is amazing. And even Chioma too. I mean, yeah, where would she get it? She got it from him. So I think it's just so exciting. I am so excited I told myself to not do some things, but when I saw the video, I showed myself, okay, I'm going to go and dig in. And so I'm excited and I'm loving the experience, and I'm loving the governor Adeleke. I think I have to do one with me and him dancing. Why not? He's just so, he's good to be a happy, you know, he's just a happy camper. And then don't let nobody make you what you're not. Ah, let's go, let's juice. You don't do. Let's juice. Let us juice. And see the goodness. I love the fact that with this juicer, I can just go ahead and put my fruits in it. I don't have to be putting it one by one, and the baby will work for me. So let's talk about the benefits of beetroot. Beetroot is rich in nitrates, which helps with your blood flow. So this also helps with your blood pressure. Anything that helps to improve blood flow helps with your blood pressure, period. When your blood flow is good, that means there's nothing that is hindering the blood from flowing. So if you don't have beets in your diet, you might want to think about it again. So it boosts your stamina and exercise performance. It's high in antioxidants. All right. So beets also. So let's talk about pineapple, right? Pineapple contains bromelain and is high in vitamin C, which boosts your immunity. Pineapple also helps to support your joint health and wound healing. And then it's naturally sweet. That's why I'm putting beet and pineapple. That is two sweet combination right there. Some people don't like the taste of beet, but to me it's sweet. I guess I'm weird. And look at ginger. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It helps with nausea. So you know sometimes you have nausea, you can just, instead of taking Zofran, you can go ahead and do some ginger. How about that? And if you have motion sickness, you're traveling, you know you have motion when you travel or when you're on a cruise, take some ginger with you instead of what? Instead of Zofran. And it helps with digestive issues. It supports immune function and may help reduce muscle pain and menstrual cramps. I think we need to put more stuff in there. Okay. Let us keep going. Okay, let's keep juicing. Remember, we have ginger, beetroot, we have lemon, we have pineapple, we have the regular cucumber, and we have my lemon cucumber. And I love lemon cucumber, guys. And I'll show you what I do with my kanda. That's what they call it, kanda. You see this guy right here that is coming up? I'm going to show you what I do with it. I think I've showed you before, but just to show you again. You can repurpose. Maybe I should leave this and use my blender so I can show you guys that don't have a juicer. Yeah, I think we should do that. So this will be the last juice. The other ones I'll do with the blender. So if you don't have a juicer, you can use your blender. Okay, let's do that with this batch. Okay, so get your blender. And put your stuff in it. So, 2 ways to juice. You can juice using a blender, and you can juice using clean. That's why I use that. Cut down my table. I love it. So what do we do now? You get your bottled water. your blender. Why do I do this? I don't know. But I do that sometimes. Don't mind me. I'm from Africa. I'm from Africa. You see the juice? Oh my God. I'm gonna get the last bit of the last bit out here. The last bit of the beets. Still coming through. I am loving this juicer, guys. I think we're done. It's like there's no more. There is no more. I am done, yo. Are you sure? Don't be playing with African woman. I'll go for the side. Rinse it out. Remember when you go to our lotta, our elero, you put the last water to kind of rinse the last thing out of there. You see? I think that's it. We're done. We're done with the juicer. So, we'll talk about lemon, right? The benefits of lemon. Lemon is an excellent source. An excellent source of vitamin C. So it helps to support. Right now the weather may begin to get cold. You want to stock up with lemon and lime. Actually, lemon and lime work almost in they're rich in both vitamin C. An antioxidant, actually. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, and lime is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. So that's why sometimes lime over lemon. Even though lime gives you that bitter taste, but then, so you see what happens, lime over lemon. They're in the same family though. So it helps to fight infections and support hydration. Okay. Cucumber. I love cucumber because cucumber can be a diuretic. And then, yeah, cucumber is a good natural source of diuresis. Okay. So I'm done with my juicing. So it's time for us to do the blender part. So cucumber also contains antioxidants. It's good for your skin and cellular health. It supports your digestive and helps to flush toxins and low calories. Same thing with beets. Beets also helps with detoxification. And also lemon. See all these guys? It's just beautiful. You see that? See what I'm gonna do with it. Just follow me. All right, so this guy you can go to. Let's see my juice. Let's do the juice. Let's see the juice, guys. Okay, work up. That's the juice. Cheers. Check that. Oops. Cheers. This is good. You just don't know. Join the party. Okay? And you always want to store your stuff in a bottle. And between 3 days, consume it. Don't forget, because it doesn't have any preservative. So you don't want to keep it longer than, or you can freeze it and do freeze pop with it. I have some freeze pops that I made. Okay, for those of us that don't have a juicer, blender, okay, you all ready for this? Let's do it. All right, that's what you want to do to begin it. Then the next one, you pulse it the rest of the way. See? You're done. Which one is faster? I think the blender is. Yeah, I think the blender is. The blender is kind of faster. And when you're done, put your stuff away. I like to put my stuff away right away. And that's where you get your sift and your cloth and a deep bowl. Put this in your cloth. Let it sit in the bowl. Pour. Can you all see that? See, double level of straining. And then you just push down. Ooh. Ooh, I lost that one. Ooh. Use something more sturdy. Ooh. Put my juice away, I beg now. So, let's use something more. Okay? We never fail. You're actually using the cloth to catch the finer you actually get more juice from the juicer. Why? Because that's what it's meant to do. Juice. To get the juice for you. And then you strain. See if there's any fine thing. I think that blender did a good work, so there's not much. I was going to show you guys, but there's not much. I'll show you the difference between juicer, blender. You see that? This is lighter because we added water. And this is 100% juice. Not 100%, but 100% juice, no added water. Let's see if the taste is different. Yeah, of course there's water there. So here you have a lighter taste, and here you have a more earth taste. It's all still good. You get the benefits of beets, pineapple, lime. You get the benefits of lemon, cucumber, and ginger. So this is a power drink. So you can drink this every morning or at night before you go to bed. And just take care of yourself. God has given us all things freely to enjoy. Okay? So that wife, that woman that you have been eyeing, go and marry her. God has given her to you freely. All right? Go do the right thing. The right thing is to juice. Eat your fruits and vegetables. They are good for you. A wife is good for you. Don't mind what the world is doing or saying. Marriage is a good thing. I don't really care what you have seen around you. Maybe your parents, your uncles, your aunties, maybe your social media, all these celebrities and all that, and all these divorces all around. So you kind of feel that there is no purpose, there's no use. Why should I get married? Marriage is still one kind. No, marriage is good for you. Fruits and vegetables are good for you. Some people find it hard to eat it or juice it. Some people tell you, oh, beets, I don't like it. It just tastes like clay. But it's good for you. And so our parents make sure we eat fruits and vegetables and not fast food. Okay? So the best thing is to do that which is long lasting. Fast food is fast food. Cholesterol, heart disease, and diabetes, they all go together. Okay? So but when you do something that will last, you do something that will last you for a long time, that is marriage. It's supposed to last you lifetime. So go ahead, take a cue from Davido and Chioma. Go ahead and get married. Do it. Don't look at people around you. Don't look at what other people are doing. You just do what is right in the sight of God. Whoever, anywhere, anybody that fears God and does what is right, what is righteous is just doing what is right in the sight of God. What is right in the sight of God is for you to get married and stop living in fornication and in sexual immorality. That is what is right in the sight of God. Go ahead and do it. Take that step today. Whatever is making you afraid, remember that when you do it, you are pleasing God. And one day, God will send a Peter to knock on your door, and your salvation will come to your house. Just like Zacchaeus. He was looking, he needed to see Jesus somehow. So Zacchaeus was a very little man. A very little man was he. He climbed up on a sycamore tree for the Lord he wanted to see. Do the right thing. Marry that girl. Marry her. Put a ring on her finger. Go to the family. Say, I want to marry your daughter. I am sorry I've just been sleeping with her. I've been doing the show free. It has been free. But I want to do the right thing. Do the right thing. Go ahead. Davido don't marry Chioma. In case you're waiting for Davido to marry, now Davido has married Chioma. What are you waiting for? You too, go and marry your own. That girl, go and marry her. Go and marry her. Respect her family. Okay? Go ahead and marry her. And as you marry her, the Lord will bless you. Chicken now. And it is good for your body. You will not be running to hotel. You will not be running, you make nobody see me. You will not be running, what is going to happen tomorrow? What's going to happen? You will be having some peace of mind because now she's your own, 100%. Nobody can come and say, yeah, you told their daughter or you are owing them. If you do the right thing. Chioma family cannot go to the Davido, the children in your house, they belong to because it's not married Chioma. No, they cannot do that because now Davido don't stamp, he don't do traditional, he don't stamp, he don't do Oyibo on. What are you waiting for? Even if the traditional you want to do, that is okay too. Must you do Oyibo and come to Miami? No, you don't have to do Oyibo and come to Miami. Just stay where you are and go to the village or go to the countryside or go to wherever you want to go and go see the parents of the girl and do the right thing. Go and do the right thing. The Lord bless you. The Lord bless you. It is good for your body. It is good for your blood cells. It is good all around for your pocket too. It's good. It is good. God bless you.